After building Congress and the presidency, the Constitution turns to a branch with no armies, no money, and no voters, but plenty of power, the judiciary. Article 3 shows exactly how the founders built the court system that would eventually reshape the entire nation. It starts simple. The judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court, and in such inferior courts as Congress may from time to time establish. Translation: the Constitution creates one court automatically, the Supreme Court, and leaves the rest up to Congress. No giant federal system, no labyrinth of courts, just a blueprint waiting to be filled in. Then it does something no monarchy ever allowed. Federal judges serve during good behavior. That means lifetime appointments, no term limits, no campaigning, no worrying about pleasing a king or the voters. The founders wanted judges who could rule based on law, not fear, unsteady hands, not political weather vanes. Article 3 also protects judicial pay. Congress can raise their salary but can't lower it. Another safeguard so presidents and lawmakers can't bully judges by squeezing their wallets. Then comes jurisdiction, what the courts can actually decide. The Supreme Court gets the final say on cases involving the Constitution, federal laws, treaties, ambassadors, maritime disputes, and conflicts between states. Basically anything that could spark chaos if 13 different states tried to interpret it 13 different ways. The court has original jurisdiction, meaning the case starts there, for things like disputes between states or cases involving ambassadors. Everything else, the court hears on appeal. That structure keeps the Supreme Court from drowning in lawsuits about who stole whose chickens. And then there's treason, the only crime the Constitution directly defines. It's not just being annoying or disagreeing with the government. Treason means waging war against the United States or giving aid and comfort to its enemies. You need 2 witnesses to the act or a confession in open court. No political witch hunts. No rulers tossing enemies in prison because they felt insulted. And Congress can punish treason, but it can't punish someone's family for it. Kings love destroying entire bloodlines. The founders said absolutely not. Article 3 may be short, but it's the backbone of every major judicial decision in American history. It created a court designed to be calm when everyone else is shouting, and powerful enough to hold the other branches in check. If you enjoyed this trip down the rabbit hole, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart History for Dumb Times. And if you feel like fueling more historical deep dives, the link to buy me a coffee is in my bio.